So here's a simple guide on how you can buy Tone or using your Tonkeeper wallet. So first of all, you have to install the Tonkeeper from the official website or app store. So if you are using your iOS device, you have to just go for your app store and search the Tonkeeper. If you are using your Android device, you have to go to your Play Store and search for the Tonkeeper here. Once you have searched for the Tonkeeper, here you will find your Tonkeeper and install the Tonkeeper wallet on your device. Once you have successfully installed your Tonkeeper wallet, you have to open the application after the installation. So if you have already an wallet, you can go for the import existing one. If you don't have an wallet, you have to create a new wallet. If you are new to Tonkeeper, you can select to create a new wallet and follow the on-screen instruction. So you can just go for the import a wallet and enter your recovery phase here. Once you have a login to your Tonkeeper, you can deposit Tone into your Tonkeeper wallet. So you can receive Tone from another wallet by clicking on the receive button. So you can just copy up your wallet address and you can send to your senders. You can share your QR code to the senders too. So if you are buying Tone directly within the Tonkeeper, you can use the encrypted. So here you have to just go for the swipe option. So here you have to just go for the swipe option or buy section in the Tonkeeper wallet. And here you have to choose your payment method after that. After your purchase is complete, you can see your Tone balance here on your Tonkeeper wallet. So by following this step, you will be successfully buy Tone using your Tonkeeper. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.